Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that you might encounter when working with binary files. The problem at hand involves understanding how 2 bytes in hexadecimal format, 1004, can be interpreted as the decimal value 11040. It's a puzzling situation that requires delving into the realm of little Endian byte order and file format specifications. Let's break it down further. In the solution provided, we learn that the hexadecimal value 0x4 tone, represented as 1004, is essentially the same number but in little Endian byte order, meaning it's reversed. The key takeaway here is that when dealing with multi-byte values in memory, the Endianness of the system matters. If a file format doesn't explicitly state the Endianness, it's safe to assume little Endian if it's from a PC background, like x86 CPUs typically use. Understanding this concept is crucial to correctly interpret data stored in binary files. Now, let's summarize what we've covered. The problem revolved around decoding a hexadecimal sequence into a decimal value within a binary file. The solution pointed to the importance of considering the byte order, specifically little Endian, and implied that PC-based file formats tend to follow this pattern. By grasping these concepts, you can confidently navigate similar challenges in your programming journey. Thanks for tuning in today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Remember, decoding byte orders can be tricky, but with a bit of knowledge, you'll be decoding like a pro in no time. See you in the next video.